Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the space and hardware. Unbox and confirm you have the console, controller, HDMI 2.1, and USB-C cable, then plug power into a wall outlet. Place the Ally X on a flat surface with 4/6 cm ventilation clearance. This avoids overheating. Once done, connect HDMI to the TV or monitor and plug the other end into the console. Power on the console, then press the Xbox button on the controller to pair. This gets you past the very first, actionable steps quickly. Next, you handle connectivity, account, and updates. This is where setup becomes detailed. Connect via Ethernet for best performance or choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure you see an IP address. Sign in with your Xbox account or create one and enable two-step verification for security. Once signed in, allow the console to download and install system updates. Ensure controller firmware updates complete. Then sync your dashboard, game library, and digital purchases so everything appears correctly. Finally, you finalize controls, storage, and play tests to complete setup. Go to settings to adjust controller mapping, stick sensitivity, audio output, and HDR calibration so visuals and input feel right. If you need more space, attach an external SSD or HDD and set it as the default install location. Format when prompted. Launch a game to test input lag, frame pacing, and cloud save sync. If the console stalls or network drops, reboot router and console, then clear alternate MAC and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.